Hey everyone, it's Jeemo here and welcome back to Business English with Jeemo. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about one tiny letter that can completely change the meaning of your sentence, the letter S. Most of my Thai students struggle with this. Even if they know it, they forget to say it. And I can tell you right now, if you forget to say the S, it's going to make your English sound incomplete and even confusing. Let's fix that now. The plural S. Let's start with the most common use of S for plural nouns. When we talk about more than one of something, we add S at the end of the word. For example, one book, two books, one car, five cars, one student, many students. Pretty simple, right? But remember, the sound of the S changes depending on the final sound of the word. Don't pay too much attention to this, but just know that cats, dogs, buses, the same letter but three different sounds. As long as you say something that sounds like S at the end, you'll be good to go. Don't worry too much about what I just told you about the different sounds. Just say S at least. When we don't add S, now, not every plural word in English takes an S. For example, one man, two men, one woman, two women, one child, two children, one person, many people. These are irregular plurals, and you simply have to remember them. Luckily, there aren't that many of them. If you ever hear someone say child's or people's, it's probably a mistake. Child's is a mistake. People's, probably a mistake. We can say people's, but it's in very few and selected instances. The chances of you using the word people's is very unlikely, so don't worry about it. Just say people, not people's. The same goes for uncountable nouns. We don't say informations or advices. We just say information or advice, some information or a piece of advice. The S for possession. But the letter S isn't only for plurals. We also use it to show possession, that something belongs to someone. For example, this is John's car. This is a pen. I'm Jeemo. This is Jeemo's pen. That's the company's policy. My teacher's advice was very helpful. Just remember that when the noun is a plural noun already, then we don't add another S for possession, which is add an apostrophe. The S for verbs. And here's one more. We also add S to verbs in the present perfect tense when the subject is he, she, or it. For example, I work, but he works. They play, but she plays. You study, but it studies. This small detail can change your sentence completely. So remember, one little S can change number, ownership, and tense. Practice saying it clearly at the end of your words, and your English will instantly sound more natural and professional. Trust me, I promise you, it's going to sound so good if you can do this. Especially if you're reading. If you see the letter S, say the letter S. As simple as that. I can understand when people speak and they forget to say S, but if you see it written down, you see the letter S, say the letter S. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. This is Jeemo, helping you sound clearer and confident in English. See you in the next lesson. By the way, this is the first long form lesson that I'm doing for you guys. You know by now that I do short form content. I do the reels across TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, of course. But since YouTube is doing so well, I'm now also doing long form. Please let me know what you think about this particular lesson. I would like to do a lot more effort for you, but I'm not going to do it if I don't know that this video is not going to be watched or is going to be watched. If you have any ideas or any thoughts about this video, please share with me in the comments so that I know what to work with in the next few lessons. See you guys. Bye-bye.